Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to dye fabric using powder dye. First, wash and rinse your fabric to get rid of all the impurities. Soaking it in water will also help to absorb the color. Measure 30 grams or 1 oz of salt. Add 500 milliliters of water into a metal container, or enough water to completely immerse your fabric. Bring the water to a boil. Add the entire packet of dye, the salt, and mix it until everything is completely dissolved. Lower the heat and insert your fabric in the container. Make sure that everything is completely immersed into the dye solution. Let the fabric sit for about 20 minutes. And stir occasionally. Dump the dye solution in a clear space. And rinse your fabric until the water runs clear. The last thing to do is to let your dyed fabric dry.